actually comes from Orwell, who made a distinction between what he called people and unpeople. People are those who count. Unpeople are those who are, they're not human. You can do anything to them you like. Actually, that came up to me vividly a couple of hours ago. I happened to be in a video conference in London, and the moderator of the group there, from the questions he asked, he brought up the horror in the West over the beheadings that are taking place, the beheadings of journalists. There was another one in Algeria a day or two ago, and he said this is just so hideous that it's really creating such extraordinary outrage in the West that we just have to do something about it. And he said, this was a pretty liberal group. He said, we recognize that U.S., British, Israeli atrocities are pretty awful, but even during the Israeli attack on Gaza, I mean, you didn't see things like beheadings, didn't you? In fact, during the Israeli attack on Gaza, if you look at the sectors of Gaza that were subject to really vicious, murderous attack, like Shufaya, after the attack kind of relented, people went in and were picking up pieces of bodies to try to identify who was murdered. All of that was reported, but he was correct. That didn't horrify the West. When we carry out atrocities like smashing people up so that their body parts are scattered around and you can't even identify who they were, that's not a crime. It can be a mistake. You're sometimes allowed to say it's a mistake. It's just like the drone assassination campaign, which undoubtedly does worse things than beheading to its victims. It's a mistake. Maybe it's a mistake, but it's not a crime. On the other hand, if ISIS, or whatever offshoot it is in Algeria, beheads people, that offends us to the heavens. And it is horrendous, undoubtedly, though it's a tiny fraction of what we and our clients do. But that's the people-unpeople distinction.